Hello and welcome to Learn360, the multimedia platform with a great diversity of content from pre-kindergarten to 12th grade. In the main page, you already find some content, but let's start showing you every resource. We'll have videos. In videos, you will be able to browse through featured videos, subjects, and producers. Producer is a very nice way for you to browse because we have more than 600 producers in the page. So we will have, for example, Cambridge Educational, BBC Learning, National Geographic, and much more. Let's start with one example. Here you will have the title of the video in question, a transcription of what the person is saying in the video. We'll have segments so you don't need to watch the entire video if you don't want to. You can go directly to the area you're interested. Down here you will have a description of the video, some text for you to browse through the content later, and you will have some details about the video too. Here you will have some videos that are related to it that you can watch, for example, the entire series. Here we also can save the video. You will have a folder, a playlist, or you can download it. You can share the video through email, you can copy the link, or you can embed it. We will have citation format, so you can find MLA, Chicago Manual of Style, APA, and Harvard. Here we have standards for you to see which standard is being applied to that video. Here I'm using Google Classroom, but you can use any classroom management system to share this video. We'll have Google Translate, where you can translate the page to any language. It's very important for me to highlight that the content in the video will not be translated, only the page will. That's it for videos. For us to go back to the main page, we just click Learn360. The next one will be topic centers. Topic centers will relate all the content to each other. So let's suppose you're watching a video and you want to have some activities about the video that you're watching. Here's where you'll find it. Let's go to an example. Here is addition. In addition, we have some videos, and those videos are related to the games and activities, that are related to the printables, that are related to the audio. So all those contents will be related to each other. That's it for top centers. Another way for you to browse with Learn360 is using those bars here. If you click here, you will be able to see the same icons we have in the main page. But I will continue with the main page. Here we have games and activities, where you will find, as the name says, games and activities. Here we have learning games, math activities, reading activities to make learning fun. So let's see a learning game, Animal Idol, for example. Here you can play and activity in this way. After games and activities, we have printables. Printables is very nice for you to have because you can have fact sheets, math activities, science diagrams, and you don't need to be writing everything. You can have the material in your hands. So let's present you with one example. Here's an example. You can print it, you can present it to your students if you're a teacher. That's it for printables. Let's go to audio. Audio works pretty much like the videos, but you will have some content here. So here we have audiobooks, audio speeches, usually from presidents and more. Learning songs that usually are the ones that we know already, music tracks, and sound effects. Let's go to an example. So here we have Clifford the Big Red Dog. As you can see, the page is very similar to the video one, and it will have the content related to. We have maps and flags, so you can browse through the featured ones, or you can go country maps and flags, historical maps, thematic maps, United States maps and flags. So let's choose one just for an example. So here, South America population. You will be able to download it if you wanted to, and you can print and present or have it with you. The next one is mailbox. We just saw the printables. Here is the printables for the young students. So from kindergarten to sixth grade, this is a nice way for you to find some activities to present it to them. For example, here, September pre-K to sixth grade is a way for you to find it. So here you have activities. If you're a teacher, you can present to your students those activities. Or if you are a student, it's very nice for you to practice a bit with those activities. Going back to the main page, we'll have STEM lessons. In STEM lessons, you will find science-related lessons where you will learn while you practice. We will have biology lessons, chemistry lessons, math, and physics. Let's choose one for an example. In this page, you will be able to see what will you learn in this activity and what you should already know before doing it. Let's choose one. So usually they are very interactive. So
If the ball which is being held by the child in the animation
you will have the problem, the explanation, and a video of it so you can answer it later. That's STEM lessons. And actually, that's it for Learn360. Thank you.